Are your muscles slowing you down? Here are the top 5 supplements for fast recovery from workouts so you can train harder, back bounce quicker, and actually feel good the next day. Let's start with omega-3s. Found in fish oil, these healthy fats help to reduce inflammation and rebuild muscle cells after intense workouts. Studies show that they can ease soreness and improve joint health. Look for high quality sources so you can avoid toxins and heavy metals. Supplement number 4 is vitamin C. Vitamin C is more than an immune booster. It helps your body produce collagen, which your joints and muscles desperately need after workouts. Plus, it helps to fight off free radicals from oxidative stress. And always go for whole food vitamin C to pack a stronger punch. Supplement number 3, black currant seed oil. It's packed with antioxidants and gamma linolenic acid, or GLA, to help with joint inflammation and muscle recovery. In a 2021 study, it helped people recover faster and have less soreness. Number 2, kava. You might know kava for stress relief, but it's actually very good for muscle recovery. It promotes muscle relaxation, reduces soreness, and supports better sleep, which is crucial for healing. And finally, the MVP red beet powder. It boosts blood flow, helps improve oxygen usage, and helps your muscles recover faster. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants to help fight post-exercise inflammation. And look for a fermented option for increased nitrates and virtually no sugar. Add one or all of these to your post-workout stack and feel the difference. If you would like to find out more about these supplements or get started with my best recommendations, tap the link below. Subscribe to our channel, like and share this video for more tips and tricks on how you can transform your health naturally.